Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to generate free Hamster Kombat keys for your Hamster Kombat account. Okay, so with this method you can generate as many as Hamster Kombat keys you want. Okay, and it is legit. It won't get your account blocked or anything. There is no problem with this method, and you can generate as many as possible, any amount of keys you want. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our Telegram account, because you'll be using a Telegram bot to generate this Hamster Kombat keys. Okay, and it's legit. Okay, so the first thing, you have to open our Telegram account. Then we use a bot, so I'll leave the link of this bot in this video description for you guys to use. Okay, so I'll first open the bot. I have the link already, so this is the bot. The title of the bot is Hamster Keys. Okay, so I'll click the start button to start generating the keys I want. Okay, so what we have to do now is to join all these platforms. Okay, so join the first platform, then we come back, then join the second platform, then we come back, then we join the third platform, then we join the fourth platform, then we join the fifth platform, then we join the last one. Okay, so when we are done joining the platform, this will appear. Okay, and we have to select the country, so we click on select country, then we select English. Okay, so it's in English now, and we can start generating our keys. So what we have to do now is to click on this get 4 keys to get the keys for free. Okay, so I'll click on get 4. If you want more of the keys, like 10 keys, you can also click get 10 more free keys. Okay, but first let's use the first one, the get 4 keys. Okay, so I'll click on this one, and the 4 keys has been generated for me for free. Okay, this is free, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so let me copy and paste them to redeem the keys. Okay, so let me copy the first one, then I'll go to my Hamster Kombat. Okay, so let me open my Hamster Kombat account. Then we click on the keys, then we enter the code we copied. Okay, so I just paste in the code we copied, then I click on redeem, and as you can see, the key is successful, so I have redeemed the first key. Okay, so you can use this method to generate a lot of keys. Okay, let me go to the platform. You can use this method to generate a lot of keys. Okay, if you want more of the 4 keys, you can generate them. If you want 10 keys, you can also contact them if you have any problem, and if you want to buy more, you can also buy. Okay, so this is the platform that will help you to generate free keys for your Hamster Kombat. And if this video helped you to generate free keys, unlimited keys, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.